Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to file for a tax return step by step. First, gather all your essential documents, including W-2s from employers and any Form 1099s for other income. Next, determine your correct filing status, such as single or married filing jointly, as this impacts your standard deduction and tax rates. Finally, decide how you will file, using tax software, hiring a professional, or completing paper forms yourself. Once your documents are ready, accurately report all income sources, including wages, interest, and dividends, on the correct forms. Then, explore available deductions and credits, like student loan interest or child tax credit, which can significantly lower your taxable income. Remember to keep thorough records of all transactions and supporting documents for at least 3 years. Before submitting, meticulously review every entry on your tax return for accuracy and completeness. Even small errors can cause delays or issues. Ensure you sign and date your return in all required places. Finally, make sure to keep a complete copy of your filed return, along with all supporting documents, for your personal records. This is crucial for future reference. For the quickest processing, submit your tax return electronically. If you owe taxes, ensure you pay them by the deadline to avoid penalties and interest charges. If you are due a refund, electronic filing also speeds up receiving your money. And for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.